Have you ever asked yourself this question? What towel should I be using on my car? Whether it's a brand new car, old car, you don't know what to do? Here at Chemical Guys, we offer different types of towels, and today I'll be demonstrating different types of towels that I'll be using on my car. So like this, you know exactly what to use on your car. I have this amazing guest, this Nissan pickup back here. It's actually mine. I'll be showing you different types of towels that I use on that truck. Kicking off with towel number one, which is going to be the thirst trap. Not like the ones you see on Instagram, but the towel. This towel actually has two different types of blends. It has a chamois blend in the middle of the microfiber towel, but it is a large towel, and this towel was designed for anybody that loves traditional chamois, but also likes microfiber towels. We all know that uncle, we all know that friend that believes in their chamois, and here at Chemical Guys, we actually found out that chamois, you cannot clean them because it actually has a synthetic oil on it, and over time, all the filth and grime gets stuck on it. So we actually took the best of both worlds, a microfiber and a chamois, and combined them into one, and we made the thirst trap. But this towel is going to soak up to 1 gallon of water, but this towel is not the same as these other towels. This towel can actually be used over and over because as soon as it gets soaked, just simply wring it out. Oops. Just simply wring it out and continue with your drying process. I'm gonna just leave that towel like that. I'm so sorry. Take two. So this towel could be wrung out multiple times and constantly be used around the surface of your car. Me personally, I like to use this towel on larger vehicles just because so this towel, I like to use this towel on like vans that obviously have a large space and I don't want to be carrying a heavier towel. I like to be using this towel because it's actually very lightweight. I could also use it on this truck right here. I'll still be showing you how to use it. It's not that hard. You simply pat it down or you pull off of the surface and it completely dries. But this towel is intended, in my opinion, for vehicles that have a lot of nooks and crannies or large panels. I like to use it on my Ford Transit. Just like this, I pick up the water, wring it back out, and continue with the wash because it's also a very lightweight towel. Now, we're moving on to our second drying towel, which is going to be the Woolly Mammoth. All right, these are really gonna stay like this now. Now that the towels have calmed down, we're moving on to towel number two, which is going to be the Woolly Mammoth. The Woolly Mammoth has been around for so long. This large towel has silk line banding around it that says Chemical Guys, but this is actually part of the design. Not only for it to say Chemical Guys, hey, come!
Hi everyone. This towel works really well. I'm actually gonna use it right now to clean my glasses off because it's drizzling outside. So you guys will see how clear they are.
We're gonna dry your car.
Oh, you're gonna dry
during the rain.
dry my glasses?
Oh yeah, we got you.
The second day of use.
Got you. There you guys have it. Buy the towel to clean up your glasses. So this large towel actually has a silk line banding around it. Not only does it say Chemical Guys, but it's actually used for something else. This is going to soak up water, and whenever you wash your towels, it's not going to tear on you because this silk line banding does not tear over time. This towel also provides a much thicker pile compared to the thirst trap. The thirst trap is more slim compared to this towel. It actually has over 1 inch pile. So like this, you soak up water whenever you're drying your car. I personally like to use this towel on super sensitive vehicles, such as like Cybertrucks, matte cars, or dark colored cars, because this pile is ultra soft and super ultra absorbent. And that's the Woolly Mammoth. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm simply going to fold it back up, put the Woolly Mammoth back over here, and I'm gonna be bringing out something that has come out from extinction.
Joey, what is that?
What in the world is that thing? I'm gonna grab it.
Whoa!
Oh man, this thing's freaking awesome. Check it out, dude.
That's cool, bro.
Now the Megalodon drying towel is another drying towel that we offer here at Chemical Guys. It actually is one of our customer favorites, same exact way as the Woolly Mammoth, but this towel has a sewn edge inside of it and it's built like a big rectangle, and this actually has a twisted loop microfiber pile. Now, if you're that person that does not have a ceramic coating on your car, you're struggling to dry your car, you can't find a towel to dry your car completely, use the Megalodon. The Megalodon is going to eat up all that water, soak it all in, and dry your car to a streak-free shine. And all you do is just throw it on, pull it off, and continue to wipe. Now, all of our drying towels are on the much bigger side, as you guys can see. They're a lot much more bigger. But like I mentioned before, if you're that type of person that does not have a ceramic coating or protection on your car, stick to the Megalodon. The Megalodon drying towel is going to simplify your drying process at all given times. Moving on to towel number 4 is going to be our Monster Extreme microfiber towel. Now this is a much smaller towel and you could use this for multi-use. On one side it has a short pile, on the other side it has a long pile. Now what should I use with 2 different piles, you might say? It's very simple. On the short pile I like to use it for like waxes, because over time whenever you are applying a cream wax, you have ran into that issue where it might be difficult to remove. Whenever you use a short pile microfiber towel, it's going to be much more easier compared to the other side that has a longer pile. You could use this for like quick detail sprays, spray waxes, or just to touch up your car at a car show. So this towel comes in a 16 by 16. It's blue, and you simply use it around your car. Now we'll be moving on to towel number 5, which is going to be the happy ending. I completely forgot to get my sample towel, but we're gonna pop it open. So we remove the Ziploc, we bring out this microfiber towel, and this towel actually is edgeless. And the pile is super soft, super plush. Now what I like to use this towel for is for like quick detail sprays, spray waxes, or even interiors, something that it's going to be very sensitive on. You don't want to be using this towel to clean up your wheels because it's a much more fancier towel, unless you're that person that has 3-piece wheels, Workmeisters, billet wheels that are super expensive, and you like to take care of them. Use this towel. On the other hand, use this for sensitive areas such as like the paintwork, the door panels, or somewhere that has to be very sensitive. But like I mentioned before, this is an edgeless microfiber towel. It's completely edgeless, there's no edges on it, and it's super fluffy and super plush. Use this with your quick detail sprays, ceramic quick detail sprays, or much more. So now I have my sample back here, but we're gonna be jumping on to our next towel. Our next towel is going to be the most basic towel that we offer here at 𝘃𝗏𝗄, guys, and this is what you basically see us use on our everyday life. This is our Workhorse microfiber towel. Not saying it's the cheapest towel, not saying it's not high quality, but this is just the most basic towel that we offer here at 𝘃𝗏𝗄, guys. This towel can do it all. You could remove waxes with it. You could clean glass with it. You could clean dashboards with it. If you're on a budget, use this towel. It's perfectly fine. All of our towels are 70-30 blend, which is going to be super soft and super plush. But like I mentioned, we do offer different types of colors in this towel, so you can color coordinate, of course, if you go with the Workhorse line instead of the Happy Ending line, the Monster Extreme line. This towel has different types of colorways, so you can color coordinate. For example, here at 𝘃𝗏𝗄, guys, we use blue for glass, green for exterior, yellow for interior, and the list goes on. So this is our most basic towel. Nothing wrong with this bad boy. I personally like using this for my everyday use, such as touching up my wheels, touching up my exhaust tips, my bumpers, sometimes my interior as well. And to finish off this video, we always get this question asked: how do I get streak-free glass? The answer is very simple. You might be using the wrong towel. If you're getting streaks on your glass, you might be using something like the Happy Ending. You might be using something like the Monster Extreme. But did you know we have a towel that is specifically designed for glass? And that towel is going to be the Waffle Weave microfiber towel. Now this microfiber towel has waffle weave textures in it. Do you know waffles? When you put syrup on it and it soaks everything in, that's the same exact thing this towel is going to do. You spray it directly onto the glass, or your glass cleaner onto the glass, and then you wipe in linear motion. We actually offer this towel in 2 different types of colors, a red one and a blue one. All you want to do is use 2 different towels, spray it onto the glass, wipe it clean, use your secondary towel to buff off the residue. And that is how you'll get streak-free glass. Now, if you want to see a video on that, let us know in the comment section down below, and we'll do I'll tell Joey to do a whole video on how to clean up glass.
I'll do it right now.
He's back there.
I'll do it.
He'll do it right now, he said.
Do it.
When should you clean your glass? Right now. So I hope this microfiber guide, or this short microfiber guide, helps you guide you around the surface of your car. So like this, you know exactly what towels you should be using on your car, whether it's a Happy Ending, a Monster Extreme, the Workhorse, Waffle Weave, Woolly Mammoth, the Thirst Trap, or the Megalodon. Like this, anytime you detail your car, you're never lost. As always, I'm Henry, and if you would like to pick up any of these towels, you can find them at 𝘃𝗏𝗄guys.com. Drive down to your local detail garage, and this will never be you ever again. What do I do?
Oh man, what you talking about, man? What? You so crazy, bruh. Wasn't too long before I realized a whole lot of truth just realized.